Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Continuum V1, 0 Plus and a compatible renderer are installed. Next, open your test scene and import the Continuum Shader package. This ensures no global project overrides. Once done, enable high-precision buffers and set the camera to HDR. Doing so prevents banding and gives correct tone mapping. Now, assign the Continuum master material to a simple mesh so you can iterate quickly. Finally, save a version snapshot before you modify shader parameters. You now tune the core shading controls. Begin with base color, metallic, and roughness. Set values in the 0-1 range so lighting behaves predictably. Then enable subsurface scattering only for organic materials. This prevents waxy plastic looks. For atmospheric effects, turn on volumetrics and temporal anti-aliasing. This smooths motion and light shafts. Once those are active, tweak exposure by plus or minus 3 stops and dial bloom between 0 and 1. Make incremental changes and test with a moving camera to judge results. You finish by baking production maps at 2048 for crispness and attaching them to their slots. This locks visual fidelity. Then profile your scene, aim for 60 FPS, and if you miss it, reduce shadow cascades or lower volumetric samples. Once satisfied, run a final render pass with denoising enabled and export the LUT used. If artifacts appear, a reliable fix is to reset tone mapping settings or re-import the Continuum shaders. Doing that often clears incorrect cache or precision errors. Save and document your final settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.